Historic Lincoln High School, originally constructed in 1927 to serve elementary students, now supports a nationally recognized alternative high school program with over 200 students and some 50 graduates every single year. In partnership with Walla Walla's Historic Preservation Committee, modest improvements to address core infrastructure, such as upgraded heating and cooling, ADA requirements, fine arts accommodations, and the elimination of 4 modular classrooms will help preserve the 91-year-old facility for years to come.
Lincoln High School is one of the favorites. I'm so glad that we're able to save that building and repurpose it for the school district. It has so much history and memories of the people that went there and the people around us. It is great for the whole community.
Right now, our pottery room is in a bathroom. We can only have 10 students in the class. We would be able to have a full classroom for pottery. Lincoln is an art school. If you're an art kid, this is where you want to go.
It's definitely going to impact our learning environment here. I think it'll increase the morale of both staff and students who are here doing their best to learn and teach every single day.